Welcome back to 7-Minute Options, Friday, July 9th, second video of the day. Just looking at more tweaks in my portfolio here. Clover, this thing is sucking up $1,000 buying power. It's a little bit underwater right now, so this is the 10 put that I sold. Clover is at 943. There's only 7 days left to go, and let's see if I can actually roll this out. Because what I'm thinking about here is there's the earnings, right? The earnings are August 16th, and I might be able to roll this into the one of the weekly options here. Let's say August 13th. Let's just see if that's even possible. So now, as you can see here, this is quite wide here. It's at 15 cents wide, so I'm trying to aim for the middle here. If I can pick up $76 in credit, and again, this is still before earnings, which means I can expect some good time decay. I don't want to go beyond earnings because at that point, I'm introducing all kinds of risk related to the earnings announcement, and the price of the options will not really decay until after the earnings come out. So this is before earnings, and again, a lot of IV here, picking up another $76 in credit without taking on any more risk. Interestingly enough, it's even less risk. The buying power goes up. Again, and I already have a closing order. I always do. It's incredible. That's one of the worst habits I have. There we go. Yeah, so this might take a while to fill because with a 15-cent wide market, I mean, it's going to be quite a while to fill that, but let's see where it goes. The other interesting thing here, I was looking at this yesterday, the UWMC. So we opened this back in episode 48. So what I'm doing here is I'm just comparing the shares versus the zebra, right? The zero extrinsic value back ratio spread here. And so if you look at 100 shares, so UWMC has gone down about roughly $1, right? We bought it for $9.12, and right now it's at $8.13. So pretty much exactly $1 it has moved down. And as you can expect, I've lost $99 on the shares. So I paid $912 for the shares, and I've lost $99 so far. On the zebra, I only paid $439 for the zebra, and I've only lost $89. So far, I would say the zebra is doing better, right? Small pullback. I had to risk less, and I lost less with the zebra than I did had I actually owned the shares. Again, I'm not trying to change this position today. I still have another 2 more years roughly before expiration. I'm just trying to check to see which one's better, owning 100 shares or owning a zebra here. And so far, I would say the zebra has a slight edge. And either way, I'm going to keep it open, see which way it goes and how they perform, but I'd like to see how it performs on the upside as well. Interesting on the position here, if I look at it, let's just look at the curve here. Yeah, so that's the flag. That's where we are today, and we are on the orange line. And so if I take off the 100 shares, yeah, the back ratio spread here, right now we're on the orange line, but as we get closer and closer to expiration, if the stock doesn't move, it's going to start moving toward this faint straight line. I'm going to lose more and more with each day, right? So right now, time decay is working against me. There is the whole point of zebra is not to have any time decay. Like there's supposed to be no extrinsic value in it, and that's true on the upside. It is not true on the downside. There is a little bit of extrinsic value, as you can see here. On the downside, though, like the downside is capped, whereas it's not capped for the stock. So yeah, so far zebra is doing well. That's looking good. What else are we looking at today? NUE. All right, NUE's up. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's fantastic. So that has 7 days to go. And yesterday we were underwater. Yesterday I was thinking, okay, if it doesn't open up higher today, I might need to turn this into a straddle or something, a butterfly. So we started out with an iron condor, and the short calls were up here. We got challenged. We turned it into a very narrow iron condor. So this is my short put. That's my short call. And it was underwater yesterday, and now it has moved back into the range. I wonder if I can actually close it out right now. So how much have we collected on this one so far? NUE, we've collected. Make sure I'm looking at the right one. We've collected $215 in credit. We can close this out for $152 today for a $63 gain. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to wait. I mean, this can go down, up, down. If I can close out for a $50 gain, I'm closing this out. This is fantastic. absolutely fantastic. Yes, I'll pay the $1.52, and let's close this out today. Fantastic. That was a good move. Things are worked out for me on NUE. Looking at GLD, GLD is coming back as well. There it is. It's moving up and up. So this position actually I rolled it out, so I got 42 days left to go there. And silver is finally up as well, really testing my $24 short put. But either way, those are some of the positions I managed today. Yeah, thanks very much.